This is Yogesh from RisePOS by One Green Diary.
Adding a new customer and processing the order with the credit. To add a new customer, enter the customer phone number, customer name, and click on Submit. The customer will get registered. Now add an item to the cart. To check out a customer with credit, click on Payment option. Now click on Save to Diary to extend a credit to the customer. Click on Credit. In order to complete the checkout, you can either click on Bill or Print Bill to print a receipt. As you check out this customer, the customer would receive a text on his phone for the confirmation of order as well as the credit. That's about adding a new customer and extending a credit.